So I'm working on my bench today. I kind of made some modifications to it. I had a post here that I removed. I had a post over there that I kind of had to modify and remove a little bit. I beefed it up with the support post. I've got a couple of other things going on here. Bought a sink down from the home center as well. And here's the laminate countertop that I bought from the home center. It should just go right on here. And it should fit perfect. So let's see what happens here. It's not wanting to fit. I freaking measured this thing like 4 times. So as you can see right here, it looks like I'm a little bit long. I measured this several times and I thought it was going to be okay, but apparently it's not going to be okay. Oh, that is disheartening for sure. I'm a ½ inch short. Oh. So when I was measuring this, I measured wrong, and when I was modifying this post right here to make this work, I didn't get it right. But I'm gonna deal with it and make the best of it. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna notch this stud out a little bit. And then if I need to add another piece of supporting material to support this upper shelf, I'm just gonna put it right on the countertop. So that's about ½ inch. That should be plenty. That is sweet. I like the height of it. It's not too short where I'm bending over too much. So this is 40¼ This is about 4 inches taller than a normal countertop. But I wanted it taller because I'm sick of bending over to get in the sink. So I'm super stoked about this. I cannot wait to get this all set up. This is a good frame that should hold the tub no problem. I'm not sure how to put the side sprayer on here because this fixture wasn't designed for a side sprayer. And I've got to have a sprayer here so I can spray my crap. I need the side sprayer to cut off the flow to this fixture, so if it breaks at some point in time, I don't have to deal with that leaking over my whole garage, and flooding. So I should just be able to trace this like this. I've checked it up there several times. I put the sink in. Oh, this is really worrisome. So I've done the thing so many times where I measure twice, cut once, and I still get it wrong. I had that same issue with the countertop for the frame, and it just sucks. Like I measure twice, cut once, and it's not right. So I've measured about 4 times, and I'm about to cut once, and I have this gut-wrenching feeling that it's not going to turn out good. But I know where I need to cut. It's right there. I've got it all marked out. So now I need to drill a hole so I can get my jigsaw blade in there. And I kind of do it pretty close to the edge here. So I've got a metal cutting blade in here with ultra fine teeth. It's ready to go. So I'm going to just start cutting this out. So the lady on the YouTubes that showed me how to do this said to take a board, span it across this, and then screw it into here. And what this will do is as you make the final cut, it will relieve the pressure of the weight of the piece that you don't need, and so it won't fall out and break the laminate. Oh, look at that! She fits like it's supposed to! That's what you get for measuring 400 times and cutting once. So the only other thing I need to do is cut some of this out right here. I wanted to leave this big, and I'll just kind of cut around here a little bit right here. And cut that out so that will accept the faucet. Would you look at that? That's freaking sweet! Now's the true test to see if I didn't scratch up or chip the laminate. Oh man, I'm loving this so far. Yeah! So this is super delicate right here now.
Okay, that's your side.
So we just gotta
Be
so really
gentle.
Yeah.
This is what you do to me.
Yeah, and you're like, no, let's just jam it, slam it. So if this fits, it ships, guys. And she fits. Yeah! That is freaking awesome!
It's gonna be awesome to put all my stuff on this.
I know. So this bench is my area. She thinks she's like, oh, I'm just gonna put all my stuff on there. No! Not happening. This is my zone. But I'm gonna be able to freaking clean up a storm in this sucker. So look how deep this is. It's like this deep. Be able to fill that up and clean crap. So I'm going to use this construction adhesive to attach the countertop to my frame. So I don't really want to do that a lot. I like to be able to take it on and off. So I'm going to go for it anyways and hope for the best. So I'm just going to put a little bit of construction adhesive on everything. So this stuff is super strong. It's not the kind of stuff that you want to be getting on your skin like this. It comes off, but you gotta kind of work at it. So you gotta be kind of careful with this stuff, and it's super strong, and once you put it on there, it's not coming off. So, okay, I'm ready to put the top on. Got the glue on, and I'm gonna go for it. Got the top on there. I'm just gonna weigh it down with some bags of fertilizer, and then kind of level it up and shim it up with some shims, and then tomorrow morning it should be totally set and ready to go. So I'm going to build some drawers over on this side. This is my section where I'm going to kind of sit like this and do my work, my hand work. And then over there will be my washing station. I have a sink, got to hook up the plumbing. I will likely do that tomorrow. So the reason I'm doing all this is for that machine over there. I've got a lot of work to do on it. I've got a lot of issues with that. All the bearings are pretty well shot. I've tore apart one full cutting unit, and it is shot. It needs new seals, new bearings, and a bunch of new stuff. They're super dirty, they're rusty, and they just need work. So the only other thing I've got to do on my station here, my setup, I've got to finish the plumbing or start and do all the plumbing for the sink. I want to get another one of these lights or two so I can have a good work area here. I may put a pegboard on the back so I can hang some tools and like hang some different stuff here. I'd like to be able to possibly maybe put a shelf over there right up here so I can, you know, do whatever the heck I want to do. This countertop was $110, and then the sink was like $60. The plumbing parts were probably another $30 or something like that, a little bit more. The construction adhesive was $10. All this framing materials and these 2x4s I had laying around, but that's probably another $30 or $40 or something. So this isn't exactly a cheap project, but it's time well spent, money well spent. In my opinion, I cannot wait to use it. I've got tons more stuff to come, and I am going to use the heck out of this thing, and I couldn't be more excited about that sink. So that is going to pretty well do it. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching my videos, and I will see you in the next one.